right, let's see what happens here. We just saw in the intro, this person's gonna crash. He's doing a pretty good job.
Consequences an overly confident and unorganized group ride can have.
He's got a pretty good area. Okay, he's doing it. He just lost some balance. Make sure you wear some full gear. I'm not against stunting. It's just, you know, I want to make sure you guys are wearing some gear and make sure you're doing it in an area that is safe to do so. Okay, this is definitely not the area to do that, but hey, hopefully we can rescue each other. So medical training should be involved. Let's go ahead and make sure we do some of that. The tire looks flat. Probably lower PSI to make it a little bit easier to do that. So Rebel, here we go. What's going on here? Oh. Good job recognizing it, but you have to get yourself out of that situation. So find that escape path. Go. Don't wait around for it. All right, that Mendo guy. Let's go through this. We're gonna do a wheelie and then we're gonna crash it. Yes, we are. Let's have some fun doing it. Woo! Do we have any gear? Because we just hit our knees, our hips, we get our shoulders, our elbows. Oh, yeah. This is why you practice the rear brakes. He's gonna run because he's embarrassed. At least I would be. Hopefully he's fine. Didn't check the bike. His phone was off too. Aren't you sure we hit some gravel, lost traction? You're going all over the place and hauling ass. I don't know if it's just gravel that's gonna be the problem. Yeah, you're having a ton of fun, buddy. Okay, can't see ahead of you. We're going pretty fast, 70 miles an hour. Doesn't look like an area for 70. Going 80. Now we're gonna slow down before a turn. Are we gonna do the turn? He's having a great time though. That kind of sucks that now he's not gonna have it. Yeah. Hopefully he has no sticks impaled into his body, but that thing is smoking now. So don't haul ass around corners. Probably poor skills when it comes to this kind of stuff. He's having a great time though. You know, I guess all you can do is laugh.
Yeah, I'm good.
Make sure you guys plan this out a little bit better. Okay, was not locating these potential hazards. This is an area that we should not be doing this. He's not very situationally aware. Remember, the road is not your racetrack.
Something.
Yeah, well, maybe the speed was also a factor.
Woohoo!
Maybe the bouncing around, messing up the whole bike, you know, jerky movements was kind of a thing.
I was shredding there.
Yeah, probably talking on the Cardos, but Boyd Izzy, here we go. Look at, oh, I'm not gonna say that. Anyways, they're backing out. This is a driveway, not a big deal. You could slow it down, get over yourself.
Trouble from the start. The second time the biker couldn't stand it and reacted.
It sounds like there's a problem with the biker. That is not, who cares? Who cares? Get over it. Do we have to watch this? Do we have to watch this? Go. Look at motorcycle parking. Go. Who cares? Almost hit a white Nissan. Here we go. Going through here, pretty high traffic. We got some sides of the vehicles already. We got an intersection coming up. We should be in orange stage. There's the side of the vehicle. We got a little clipperoo on our foot. Remember, orange stage in these areas. Got to be paying attention, okay? This is, oh, that's a beautiful area. So slow it down. You can't see around the corner. Why did we go off-road just for a little bit? Wasn't paying attention. Going off-road a little bit again. Not paying attention. What are we doing? Okay, just see if we keep it. See if we keep it up. See if we keep it up.
Yeah.
Unintentional off-roading. So probably just wasn't paying attention. The road changed a little bit. Make sure you're not zoned out, okay? Moto Pumpkin. Oh, watch. Ooh, get out of the road, buddy. Ooh. Looks a little uncoordinated. Not a big deal. Maybe new to riding a bicycle. That's fine. Hopefully they're not hurt. All right, so what kind of hazards?
On their own,
What factors do we have that are obvious?
right, even more challenging, causing the bike.
Write it in the comments. What factors do we have that could contribute to a crash or close call right now? Outside of the car. Outside of the car driver. Name two. Name two in the comments. Two factors. It's your quiz. Victor C coming in on here going 110. This looks like we're in the United States here. Going a little fast, but look at everybody else is going fast. Good job with the adaptation, located that hazard, and just kind of moved over. You don't have to do much more than that. So Nathan. Whoa, cyclist, what's up, buddy? Good job moving on over. Handled that pretty well. I love MotoStars when they don't have any music to play. Here we go. This is where the fun begins. We're in the blind spot right here. Okay, we make sure we have a good escape pass. Looks like we definitely do. Watch out, they're gonna come into our lane. There it is. Guys, this is something that just happens all the time. When you've been riding for a while, you start to recognize this. You know, stop. You start to recognize these types of things pretty easily when you're out riding for the first few times. Relax. When you're riding for a little bit, you start to recognize that when you're in a blind spot, you should probably not be in it. This happens all the time. People just move over. They just move over. So the fact that we keep seeing this in these MotoStars videos and all these crash compilation videos of people merging into us, let's take that to heart. Let's think about that. Let's stop being in people's blind spots. If you recognize you're in a blind spot, decelerate or accelerate out of there. Remember, we're trying to plan our ride. We got to position for safety. That's the biggest thing. Okay, yeah, we located this person coming into our lane, but if we can position ourselves for safety, we never have to really worry about it. All right, here we go. Sharp left turn coming up ahead. Chevron's right here. Why are we going pretty fast? Shut up, MotoStars. I'm going to keep talking over you. I don't care what you have to say. We're going to go ahead and talk about this myself. La 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 la. All right, sharp left turn. Whoa, didn't see that person. Messes you up, so you had to do some really good braking. Well, that person crashed. Are we going to rescue that rider with our rescue pack? Probably bleeding out of his leg. Let's get that tourniquet on him. Oh, we're bleeding out of the arm. Let's go ahead and get this tourniquet on him. Oh, man. Let's not do stupid stuff like that, everybody. What kind of mechanism do we have here? The vlogs. Here we go. Driving down the interstate. Watch out. We're in California, I believe. We're going to go ahead and accelerate out of here. Don't stay in the spot they were intending to go. Just get yourself out of there. Get into that escape path. Go, 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 go. 360 rider. Okay, we're about to get boxed in. I don't like even getting into this area, but now it looks like it's opened up. We're going to switch lanes. Watch out for this person. Switch lanes too. Good job with the merging. Watch out for the guy behind you because that is a trucker. You don't want to be messing around. Terrible line of sight. Good job. You're going to move over. They're going to move over too, so stay here. Good line of sight again now. But we didn't like it. We're going to want to get into a faster lane. This person is planning the ride. This is all pretty good. That's pretty good. Naruto man, here we go. Watch out for this person right here. And we're out of their blind spot. Now we're good. Good total stopping distance and space cushion. Great job with the space cushion. Whoa, came out of nowhere. Good job with the planning. Okay, we located it. We just kind of adapted over. This person was definitely in orange stage, prepped and ready for this.